Hi everyone, today we are on Module 4 of Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. This is Lesson 10. Turn to page 39 and follow along to take notes. Today's lesson is a gizmos lesson, Fraction Garden, so comparing fractions. So you can log in now, it says right here, make sure to log into your online VMath, and then go to Gizmos and then click on Fraction Garden. That's the one you're doing today, Fraction Garden. All right, let's get ready. We're going to graph each number on the number line. So remember when you're graphing on the number line, here we see 0 down here, and then 5, and then 10. So we can, let's check, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are going up by 1. So if we're going to graph 1, all we have to do when we put a point on there is just graph right there. So 0, 1. Then we want 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 would be right there. You just put a point right on the line. And then 8. So here we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the point right there. Graph 8. Okay. When you are doing this lesson, it says, look at the number line labeled from 0 to 1 under the garden. So you can see on your screen 0 to 1. If you're not there yet, you should probably go there so you can see it on your own screen. Use the arrows under draw chalk marks to get to the number 4, to set the number to 4. Click Go Chalky. So that's right here. So you're going to click this up to 4 and then click Go Chalky. The number line is now divided into 4 equal sections, or fourths. So that means that this number line will have sections in fourths. Mine's messy, but it'll look nicer on your screen. Then the number line, then it says use the arrows under distance to travel. So right here, distance to travel, to set the fraction to 1/4. So you're going to change the fraction to 1/4. Then click Go Bud. Then change the fraction to 3/4. Click Go Blossom. Compare using greater than or less than. So 1/4 and 3/4. So you will see things on your screen to be able to compare. Well, we know that 1/4 is less than 3/4. So, and you will be able to see that on your screen. So you'd say 1/4 is less than 3/4. Then it says under clear, click chalk. So under clear, click the chalk. Then click gardens. So then there's gardens right here. Set draw chalk marks to 3. So you're going to go back here, change that to 3. Click Go Chalky. Change the fraction to 2/3. Then click Go Bud. Set draw chalk marks to 5. So go back over here, click Go Chalky. Change the fraction to 2/5. Click Go Blossom right here. And then you'll compare. So I want you to do that on your screen and answer this question for number 5. So follow along exactly these instructions and then see which one is bigger, 2/3 or 2/5. And then on your own, you will complete page 40. All right, make sure to use your gizmos and ask for help if you need it. Good luck.